Good morning, students. As already we started maths chapter number 3, that is addition and subtraction. So in this we finished our addition part, and today we are going to learn the subtraction. Till practice set number 9 we finished, and today we will start a subtraction portion, that is problem set number 10. Okay, so today we will solve problem set number 10. Problem set number 10. Okay, how to do the subtraction? I'll just show you two sums, and afterwards you have to do. Sum number 1, all of you, page number 12, and whenever you just sit for your maths lecture, you have to open book as well as notebook and pencil also. How I am going to solve, I'll show you. The first sum I am going to show you, that is 64,293. You see, give some space in between the numbers. 64,293. In between numbers, you give some space so that you won't find any confusion. Okay. Now 28547. 28547. Okay. Now today we are this is the basic. Already you completed the addition and subtraction in your last class also. But here today we will do this, and I'll just show you how to do this thing. Now in this, now you see, first of all you put the here subtraction symbol. Then what we have to do here, sometimes if number is bigger than the lower number, then you can directly subtract the number. But upper number, if it is small and below number is big, then you have to borrow from your beside number. Now in this you see 3 is small and 7 is big. Number 3 is small and number 7 is big. So at that time, from 3 you can't subtract the number 7. It is clear. Okay. So now what we have to do here, you have to borrow number 1 here, means 10. So what happens here, you just put 1, 10. So here 10 plus 3, it becomes 13. But here when you just borrow one number here, so you have to put here 8 instead of 9. Understood? Once again I will repeat. I'll show you. Now you see, when number 3 is small, you can't subtract the number 7 from 3. So you have to borrow one number. Okay. So 1 plus 1 and 3, how we will write? Like this. So it becomes 13. So like this way, for your convenience, I'm just putting 3 also. Treat this as a 10 plus 3, it is 13. Or simply you can carry, you can borrow 1 and 3, like this way you can write the number 13. So now this number become 13, and here when you are just carrying 1 here, so this number will become 8. क्योंकि आप लोगों ने एक नंबर इधर लिया है, इससे बोरो किया है, किसी से उधारी लिया है. अगर आपके पास में अभी 5 मैंगोज है, ओके, और आप किसी को, आपके फ्रेंड को, उसके पास में 2 है, ठीक है, तो आप अगर इसको दे रहे हो तो एक इसके पास गया, आप इसके पास में कितने रहेंगे? ओनली 4. लाइक दिस वे, अगर आपने एक इसको दे दिया तो आपके पास अभी 8 only remains. So here 13 plus 7 means you have to subtract from 13 number 7. So how much? You just tell me. If you just subtract 13 from 13, 7, Tell me. Yes, yes, it is 6. Okay, now here 8, always subtracting, you have to see it is possible you to subtract, and always you have to remember one more thing, that the number which you are subtracting from the number, so here this number should be the big one and this one which should be the small one. हमेशा आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है कि जिस नंबर से आप लोग आपका नंबर सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो तो वो बड़ा रहना चाहिए और सब्सट्रैक्ट करने वाला छोटा रहना चाहिए, तभी ये पॉसिबल रहेगा। मतलब 8 में से 4 सब्सट्रैक्ट हो सकता है मगर 4 में से 8 नहीं हो सकता। लाइक इन दिस नंबर, तो आपको क्या करना है, 8, अब आपको ये 8 पकड़ना है, 9 नहीं। ओके, 9 को ऐसा काट के 8 लिख सकते हो। अब आप 8 में से 4 लेस कर सकते हो, सो 8 लेस 4 इट इज 4। नाउ हियर अगेन द नंबर 2 number is smaller than number 5. ओके, 2 नंबर स्मॉल है एंड 5 नंबर बिग है, तो ये सब्सट्रैक्ट होगा क्या, नहीं होगा। अगेन आपको बोरो करना है, इससे बोरो किया तो यहाँ एक आपका बढ़ जाता है 1 and 2 सेम, यू हैव टू राइट हियर 12, ये हो जाता है नंबर 12। और यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, 1 चला गया तो यहाँ हो जाता है 3। अंडरस्टूड। अब ये 12 माइनस 5, 12 हो गया ना, 12 माइनस 5 7। ओके, अब यहाँ से ये नंबर 3 बन गया। अब 3 नंबर स्मॉल है और 8 नंबर बिग है, 3 में से 8 हम लोग लेस नहीं कर सकते। फ्रॉम 3 कैन वी सब्सट्रैक्ट नंबर 8? नो, बिकॉज 3 नंबर इज स्मॉल एंड 8 नंबर इज big. So again what you have to do, you have to borrow one number from 6. So again this number becomes 13 and here this number becomes 5 because 1 he gave to 3. Okay, now from 13 you can subtract number 8. Okay, so are you understanding me how I am explaining? In basic you already learned some 3 digit numbers also we can do. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you. Now here this number become 13. Now from 13 8 can we less? Yes, of course we can less from 13 number 8. So 13 less 8 it is 5. Okay, now from 5 is big and 2 is small. Okay, so from 5 you can less number 2. So here 5 less 2 it is 3. Understood? Like this way we can learn the subtraction. Once again I'll show you one more second sum. Write down all of you. You understood now? So next I'll show you one more sum. Subtraction is two forms. One, now you see, without borrowing also we can subtract. For example, a 3-digit number only I'll do here. This is a very simple method of doing the subtraction. Now you see here 7 less 3 it is 4 because 7 number is big one and 3 number is small. Without borrowing we are doing this sum. Okay, 7 is big so 3 is small. Yes, we can do, we can less number 3 from number 7. 7 बड़ा है 3 छोटा है तो सब्सट्रैक्शन हो सकता है, इसीलिए हम लोग विदाउट बोरोइंग हम सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं। तो 7 में से अगर हमने 3 निकाल दिया सो हियर आंसर विल बी 4. अगेन नाउ 8 is the big number and 4 is small number. Yes, here also it is possible to subtract the number 4 from number 8. Okay, so 8 less 4 it is 4. Again here the same number, 9 is the big one and 5 is the less one. Small number, big number and small number. Before doing the subtraction, you have to find out whether the number is big or small. When you just get a confirmation, you can easily do the subtraction. 9 is big and 5 is small. So we can less number 5 from number 9. So 9 less 5, it is 4. Okay, so answer we got it. But this is the simple method as we learned in our 3rd, 4th standard. Now you are in 5th standard, so one step ahead you have to move. Means how to borrow and do the subtraction. How to borrow and do the subtraction as first sum I did it. Okay, now of that exercise only problem set number 10. Problem set number 10, I am showing you the sum number 2. Okay, 37058. 37058. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. Listen carefully and watch carefully all students, because now you see we are having a limited time, so I want to complete this problem set number 10. Now you see here, once again, before doing the subtraction, what I said, here you have to find out the number. We can less the number from the bigger one, but from smaller, bigger number we can't do. बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर लेस कर सकते हैं, बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर लेस कर सकते हैं, बट छोटे नंबर से बड़ा नंबर लेस नहीं हो सकता. अंडरस्टूड? सो लाइक दिस वे हियर यू कैन सी, दोनों देखना है आपको, 8 बड़ा है या 9. ऑफ कोर्स 9 इज द बिग वन, तो 8 में से 9 लेस नहीं हो सकता. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हियर वी हैव टू लर्न द बोरो नंबर 1. Means again we will borrow and here we will put 1, or you can put 1 here also, ताकि आपको confusion नहीं होगा. अब ये बन गया नंबर 18. ये नंबर क्या हो गया? 18. ओके, अब ये नंबर बन गया 18. अब 5 में से अगर हमने एक नंबर बोरो कर लिया तो यहाँ पे बन जाएगा नंबर 4. ओके, अब 18 में से तो 9 लेस हो सकता है. यस, वी कैन डू इट. फ्रॉम 18 यू कैन लेस नंबर 9. नाउ 18 बिकम अ बिगर नंबर देन 9. सो 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, now here from 4 again, here number 4 is there and here number 6 is there. 4 is smaller than number 6, so you have to borrow. But here you see 0 doesn't have already no value. 0 को कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहता, तो 0 की जब कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं रहती है तो हम इससे नंबर बोरो कैसे करेंगे? तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. तो 0 के बाद का नंबर कौन सा है? 7. तो हमको अभी क्या करना है? 7 से बोरो लेना है. ठीक है, हम 7 से बोरो ले रहे 0 पे, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 10 और लेकिन यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 6. पहले लिख देना आपने ऐसा, ताकि कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. हमने 7 से बोरो ले लिया नंबर 1, तो यहाँ पे बन गया 10 और यहाँ पे बन गया 6. ओके, अब यहाँ से 10 है तो हम इसको एक नंबर उधारी दे सकते हैं, बोरो कर सकता है. तो अब हमने इसको जब यहाँ से दे रहे तो ये बन जाता है 14 और ये बन जाएगा 9. अंडरस्टूड? ये क्या बन जाएगा? 9. अब देखो ये 14 में लेस 6, 14 में से 6 लेस हो सकता है. सो व्हेन वी जस्ट सब्सट्रैक्ट 14 from 6, so answer is 8. Okay, अब here it is 9. 9 is the big one and the 4 is smaller one. So from 9, yes, we can less number 4. Okay, so 9 less 4, it is 5. Here 6 is there. 6 less 3. From number 6, you have to less 3. So here it is 3. And you can less 3 from 3 number 2. So 3 less 2, it is 1. I hope that you understood. This is the simple way of doing subtraction. But one more method is also there. So let's continue the sum number 3. Okay, I'll show you how to do that one. Now you see students, as already here also, if you are getting a more digits to subtract, so you can easily find out in a box way also. Now you see, you just prepare one box as I already showed in the this one also, addition also. So here you can do this. This is just because you won't find confusion. Okay. Now you see in this sum number 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you see, अगर कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना है आपको, तो हमने क्या किया है, अब हमने इसको बॉक्स में बना दिया ताकि आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. 7, 1, 5. We are doing sum number 3. Okay, 7, 1, 5, 4, 0. Okay, and here it is the second one. 8, 2, 6, 8, and this is 5. We are doing subtraction. Okay, now you see here again we got a 0. Already I inform you 0 doesn't have any value. So हमको क्या करना है? We have to borrow number 1 from 4. You can do the subtraction in both the ways. If you find this box pattern or this table pattern is easy for you, you can do it. So what we are doing here, we again will borrow from number 4. You see like this way we are borrowing. So here you just put 1. Okay. So here now 10. From 10 you can less number 8. Yes, we can. So 10 less 8, it is 2. Here when we borrow 1, so here the number becomes 3. So from 3 you can less number 2. Yes, so it is 1. But here now you see 5 and here the number is 6. So from 5, 6 cannot we subtract. So what we have to do? Again we have to borrow from this number. When we borrow from this, here you just put a 1. But here what happens? 0. Because here only a single number was there. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही सिंगल नंबर था 1. तो 1 अगर हमने इधर ले लिया, उसने बोरो किया नंबर 5 ने, तो यहाँ पे 0 रहेगा. Understood? अब ये यहाँ पे 1 आ गया. So here it become 15 and here it become 0. So from 15 you can less 6. Okay? Yes, this is actually the pattern of doing subtraction. So now 15 less 6, it is 9. Okay? Now again now you see here, when here again we got a 0. 0 don't have value. So how we will just subtract 8 number from 0? We have to borrow 1 from 7. So here this number become 10. Now you, and here it becomes 6. Okay? So from 10 we can subtract number 8. 10 less 8, it is 2. And from 6 you subtract number 5, that is 1. In this way also you can subtract 6-digit number, 7-digit number or 8-digit number. The thing is you should understand how to do the subtraction. Understood? Likewise, now you see in problem set number 10, I did 3 sums. Okay, so the fourth one is homework. You do by your own. So that I'll move to the next exercise. Box way also I showed you, as you wish, as you want to do. Okay, now I will actually move to problem set number now 11. Okay, till here it is clear. Now we will do, all of you just open page number 13, problem set number 11. In this also you see big digits are given. So don't be in a confusion, you can do it. But the first one I'll show you. Okay. In problem set number 1, sum number 1. Okay, sum number 1 is 8, 57, 5, 1, 3. We have to less now number 4, 8, 4,82,256. Okay, this sum I'll show you. This is subtraction. Same pattern, same method, problem set number 11 also. Now you see again that number 3. 3 is small than number 6. We have to borrow 1, put here 1, and here you put 0. Okay, so from 13 you can less number 6. Okay, so it is number 7. From 13 if you just less 6, number 7. Now here again you got the 0. Okay, from 0 you can't subtract number 5. So same you have to borrow number 1 from 5. So if you just borrow one number, here it becomes 4. So from 10, here when a number becomes 10, so from number 10, you can less number 5. 10 में से number 5 less हो सकता है. So 10 less 5, 5. Okay. Now here number 4 is there and number 2. 4 में से 2 subtract हो सकता है. 4 में से less 2, it is 2. 7 में से भी 2 लेस कर सकते हैं. 7 less 2, it is 5. Again you see, पैनिक नहीं होने का. ऑलवेज अपने को देखना है कि जो हमारा ऊपर का नंबर है जिसमें से हमको लेस करना है वो बड़ा है या छोटा है. छोटे में से बड़ा नंबर लेस नहीं होता, उसके लिए हमको हमारे साइड वाले नंबर से बोरो करना ही पड़ता है. So here again I want to borrow. So here I'll get a 1. Here it becomes a number 7. Understood? Now from 18 we can less 8. Sorry, from 15 we can less 18. वापस से मैंने यहाँ से बोरो किया. आया समझ में? ये बोरो का मेथड से कोई भी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना है. So from 15 less 8 it is number 7. Okay. अब नंबर 7 आ गया. यहाँ पे नंबर 7 है. 7 less 4. 7 बड़ा है, 4 छोटा है, तो 7 में से नंबर 4 लेस करते हैं. So it is 3. This is the answer of problem set number 11, sum number 1. This way you can do your subtraction. But in this, don't worry students, I want to show you one more number. One more number we will do it. That is, I want to do fourth one. Okay, but fifth one we will do. Okay, and rest second, third, fourth, sixth. of problem set number 11. It's a homework. You just do it. Here now you see 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I took this number 5, fifth sum? Because it is little bit big. So you will just again take attention and you just don't do it. So let me show you this sum. Okay? 2, 8. 2, 8, 6, 4, 5, 4, 7. Now what we have to do? We have to again do the subtraction. Okay? Same method, same thing. Now you see here. From number 5, you count less number 7. Again same procedure. Here it becomes 15. So from 15, if you want to less 7, so how much will be the answer? Tell me. From 15, if you want to less, here it becomes a 3. Because when once again you borrow, so here the number becomes 3. So from 15, you just less 7, the answer is 8. Okay. Now from 3, you can't less 4. Again, you have to borrow from this number. Here it becomes 13. Okay. So from 30 and here it becomes 2. So from 13, when you less 4, so here the answer is 9. From 2, you can't less 5. Again you just borrow 1 and here it becomes 1, here it becomes 12. From 12, if you less 5, so the answer is 7. Here again the 1 is small and 4 is big. Again you have to take one borrow here. It becomes here 11 and here it becomes 0. Okay. So from 11, if you just less 4, from 11, okay. Here don't be confusion. 11. So from 11, you have to less number 4. 11 less 4, it is 7. Here again it's a 0. So now you see, here also number 0 is there. You can't borrow from 0. Already 0 don't have any value. So what you have to do? You just borrow here. This number will become 10 and here this number 7 will become 6 because already 1 we borrow from 7. Now from 10 we can borrow here also. So here also it becomes 10 and this number becomes 9. Understood? Now from 10 you can less 6. So from 10 if you want to less 6, 10 less 6 it is 4 and from 9 you can less number 8 it is 1 and from 6 if you less 2 the answer is 4. So like this way you can do the subtraction. Okay, set problem sum number 5, problem set 11 I showed you. First one also I did. Second, third, fourth and sixth is the homework. You have to do at home. Now, one problem set is also there. Okay, that we will do it. I'll show you. Problem set we are doing now, word problem. Now we are doing word problem. In 2001, the population of a city was, it was the population of, in 2001, okay, in 2001, the population was around 21 lakhs 43,567. Okay, in 2001, in the year 2001. Okay. In 2001, the population of a city was 21,43,567, and in 2011 it was 28. It was 28 lakhs 9,878. This in the year 2011. 2001 में हमारी सिटी का पॉपुलेशन था 21,43,567, बट 2011 आने तक सिटी का पॉपुलेशन कितना हो गया? 28,09,878. अब ये क्या पूछ रहा है कि by how much did the population grow? Okay, अब यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन ये है कि कितना पॉपुलेशन ग्रो हुआ, यहाँ से आप लोग समझ सकते हो। ये देखो नंबर 21 lakhs, 21 lakhs का जो पॉपुलेशन था, ये सब भूल जाओ। 21 lakhs का पॉपुलेशन था 2001 में, और 2011 में कितना हो गया? 28। मतलब यहाँ पे 21 है और यहाँ पे 28 है। इन दोनों में यू जस्ट कंपेयर, कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? यस, 28 बिग है। मतलब पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गया ना, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा, लेकिन हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या आ रहा है कि 2011 का जो ये पॉपुलेशन था, 2001 का ये पॉपुलेशन था, तो ओवरऑल 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, मतलब 7 सालों में पॉपुलेशन कितना बढ़ गया? ओके, अब आप मुझे बता दो कि अगर हम सम को एज इट इज रखते हैं, अगर हमको सिर्फ पता करना है कि कितना पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गया हमारी सिटी का, बढ़ा तो है, ये तो समझ में आ गया, क्योंकि 2001 में 21,43,567 था, and 2011 it increased up to 28,09,878. Yes, we understood till the year 2011 our population increased, but here now we have to just calculate how much the population increased. Here when you just do the word problems, you have to read the sum carefully. What the question is, you have to understand. Here the question is how much population increased. Okay, how much population grow? So now from 21,43,567, is it possible to less 28,09,878? No, not at all. Always before starting the subtraction, I said you from a bigger number you can subtract the smaller number. Okay, from the bigger number only you can subtract the smaller number. So अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 28,09,878 में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा 21,43,567, तब हमको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कितना पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ हुआ है। लेट मी राइट, हाँ, कंफ्यूजन इसीलिए नहीं होने का। आप क्या करोगे? 2 नंबर्स रीड करोगे और इसमें से इसको माइनस कर दोगे, तो वो रॉन्ग होता है। सो आपको अभी क्या करना है? 2809878, and here it is 7 6 5 3 2 1 2809878 and 2143567. To find out how much population growth, so we have to just subtract from bigger number to smaller one. Now you see 8 you can less number 7, this is 1. From 7 you can less number 6, that is 1. From 8 if you less 5, here it is 3. From 9 you can less number 3, it is 6. From 0 you can't less 4. So again you have to borrow, put here 1, here you just put number 7. From 10 if you less 4, so the answer is 6. And from 7 if you less number 1, so here is 6. 2 less 2, 0, because before numbers if you put 0 it has no value. So the answer is 6,66,311. How much population grown? 6,66,311. मतलब population कितना बढ़ गया? 6,66,311. ये इतना population बढ़ा, यानी population grew by 6,66,311. So this is the answer, and you have to write the sentence also. The population grew by 6,66,311. So this was the word problem which I showed you on the board, and I hope the problem set number 11 you can do easily. Tomorrow in our next class, I will explain the word problems of problem set number 12. Till that time, you just complete your homework. Take care. Bye all of you.